Let's talk a little bit about Medium's demographic, who is there, who is spending time on Medium in 2024, because that is what sets the foundation. As with any platform, you don't want to be writing on Medium if your audience isn't there, am I right? Some of the results are quite unexpected, and you may wonder why it is like this. As a baseline, Medium has a significant built-in audience of 100 million readers who are actively browsing through the app or website to find news stories from undiscovered voices to read. I recently listened to a podcast from TechCrunch with Tony Stubblebine, Medium's CEO, where he mentioned that Medium is about to reach 1 million paying subscribers. The last official number was 725,000, and people were wondering if Medium was about to go down after the pandemic or was on the rise. Quick math. Medium's partner program costs $5 a month or $50 a year for members. Let's assume most people take the $5 a month option and come and go. 5 times 12 is $60. 60 times 1 million, that's 60 million. Let this sink in. Also keep in mind that Medium recently launched its Friends tier, where you can pay $15 per month. And your biggest benefit is that your reads pay out 4 times to the writers you read. Plus, if you share a friend link to a story you enjoyed, writers get paid for external views as well. And this is revolutionary on Medium. If all members would upgrade and pay $150 per year, this is 150 million. The more money in the pot, the better. Let's now take a closer look at Medium's demographics with a tool called SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb is the go-to tool for any SEO consultant and marketing professional. It is a tool that estimates the total amount of traffic different websites get from desktop users. I hear you say, Christina, wait, from desktop users, I think smartphone data will give a truer picture. I almost never use the desktop for Medium. Well, on Medium, 50% are mobile users and 50% are desktop users, so it's at least half of the audience we are getting a picture. So let's talk about website performance first. As of December 2023, Medium is one of the 347 most visited websites on the internet. It ranks 262 in the United States and has 156 million monthly views worldwide, with people spending about 2 minutes on the website once they visit. Let's now check Medium's core audience. Medium's core audience is from America. The United States is the top country sending desktop traffic to Medium. As you can see here, 31%. Then comes India, United Kingdom, Indonesia, and Canada. Side note, as you can see, the second highest traffic comes from India, but it's not yet part of the partner program, which allows you to earn money with your words. I know writers from India, Brazil, and Thailand are pumped to join, so hopefully, good news, according to Medium, the additional country support will launch in early 2024. Let's now dig a bit deeper in the demographics. Here you can see the age distribution. On the desktop version, from an age breakdown, the largest age group of visitors is 25 to 34 years old, followed by 18 to 24-year-olds who are using Medium. Maybe you say, I'm surprised. I didn't know there was such a young demographic on Medium. I felt so many more people were in their 30s, 40s, 50s. So no, there is a young readership with more than 90% under the age of 54. And primarily men are using Medium. Medium.com's audience is 63% male and 37% female. You may wonder, is Medium skewed toward men? Or, as Nicole stated, how interesting to know that so many more of the readers here are young men. Hopefully we can get some more women on this platform so we aren't so outnumbered here. Where are all the women? I think when we explore the top topics on Medium, we'll find out more. Hey, real quick, Join my newsletter to stay up to date on all things Medium, Substack, ConvertKit. I help you create and grow an online writing business. I hope to see you in my community of more than 3,500 smart people. Let's now talk about the top 10 most popular topics on Medium. On Medium, writers have published more than 75 million articles so far. Guess what's the most popular topic on Medium? Fill in the blank. The most popular topic is technology. I checked Medium's new Explore page with more than 500 topics for you. The second is poetry with about 700 case stories, self-improvement, life lessons. Number 5 is writing, startup, love, politics, education, travel, and last but not least, entrepreneurship. How about the top Medium.com audience interests? And for this, let's go back to SimilarWeb. According to SimilarWeb, as you can see here, people are most interested in programming, developer software, computers, electronics, technology, news, blogs, and business. To get a clearer picture, here's also a snapshot of websites similar to Medium. For instance, Twitter, Pipe, Stack Overflow, GuineaFab, Clerk, or for instance, GitHub. Users who visit Medium also visit ChatGPT, Wikipedia, GitHub, npm.js, and many, many more. Let's now check the marketing channels. So here's the channel overview, and you can see that Google is Medium's key traffic driver. What's interesting is that users find posts on Medium primarily via search engines. This makes Google the key traffic driver, with 70% coming from organic search. Medium has a high domain authority of 95, so it's a trustworthy site for Google. Let's now check socials. Here you can see the social traffic, and as you can see, Medium gets most of its social media traffic from X, formerly Twitter. And some background information here: the founder of Medium, F. Williams, is also the co-founder of Twitter. My recommendation here is, since 30% of social traffic is coming from X and 23% from LinkedIn, 8% from Facebook, Medium makes it pretty easy to share your stories via X, LinkedIn, or Facebook. You simply go on the 3-dot menu and then share your stories via X. For instance, I share all of my stories via X. Keep in mind that a few months ago, Medium changed with the friend tier feature that you can always share a friend link via X. So this means if someone opens a story that is behind the paywall, not everyone can open the story anymore and read it. So you have to keep this in mind. But what I do, for instance, on YouTube is, in the community tab, I share a friend link, meaning people who come to the community tab and want to read a story I shared on Medium, which is trending, and I want to share to my audience, they can read it for free there with the friend link. So my recommendation here is to promote your stories by sharing them on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, as well as Reddit. Reddit will go public in the end of March, and also YouTube. Make sure to connect your X profile with Medium. This is also very easy, and also sharing your ideas via Reddit is trending on Medium. Some say you can use it for self-promotion. I'm not sure about this. Maybe it's worth a try. And engaging audiences through YouTube may reveal new opportunities for you too, as I do here with this channel. And here, real quick, there's also an overview of websites referring Medium, for instance, GitHub, or Towards Data Science, or UX Design, and Linktree. I guess in regard to GitHub, Towards Data Science, and UX Design, it's absolutely clear why we talked about that technology is the #1 topic on Medium, and Towards Data Science as well as UX Design. They are both on Medium and they have their own custom domains. And with Linktree, many writers and creators share their Medium links via Linktree, so people come there and with one click they can go to your Medium profile. I have also a video where I show how to set up a Linktree within a few minutes, so check out this video if you want to learn how to use Linktree. It's very easy to set up your own little website. And also the top referring industries again show that the top categories are programming, developer software, then we have computer electronics, and investing, finance, graphics, multimedia, and web design. I guess this is because all of these AI image generator and investing in finance, of course, money topics and investment, crypto and so on. This is also very huge on Medium. If we now check the outgoing traffic, then the top link destinations are Google, GitHub, X, YouTube, and LinkedIn. As I said, I share all of my Medium stories via X, and I also love to link to my YouTube videos. And I know from fellow Medium writers that when they show their expertise on Medium, they also link to their LinkedIn profiles so people can connect with them and they can use this for networking. Hey, real quick, in the show notes is a link to the updated list of the top 10 Medium publications and top tags for 2024 for you. Hey, real quick, in the show notes is a link to the updated list of the top 10 Medium publications and top tags for 2024 for you. Wow, what a ride. Now, last but not least, to get more eyeballs on your stories, get paid more, and grow your following, it's smart to publish with Medium's biggest publications. And you may wonder, what are the biggest publications on Medium, the top 10 pubs on Medium in 2024? Here is a list for you again. I did some research. Number one is Started Up, formerly The Startup, with about 778k followers. Then we have Towards Data Science. We already heard about this. There's so much traffic coming from this side. And then we have Better Humans. We have the Writing Cooperative, Entrepreneurship Handbook. This is rebranded, formerly known as Entrepreneur's Handbook, with about 230k followers. Number 6 is Better Programming. Better Programming is on a hiatus at the moment. Then 7 is Mind Cafe with 140k followers, and Better Marketing with 120, another pub from Tony Sauberbein, now with editors Sinem Günnel and Suni Rain. And we have Illumination and Invisible Illness with about 55k followers. If you say there is no way, I would have guessed particularly the gender stats. I thought Medium was primarily women, which I also felt a good thing. Or as Sarah, so why the dickens am I wasting my time? What tech-savvy young male is going to want to read something that was written by a great grandma with a southern accent? Well, I think it's a good reminder that we only see a small fraction of the Medium members. We find our little corner of Medium which may not be representative. I guess that's why it is so important to write for different publications and try different topics to leave our comfy box and get seen and read by others in 2024. In addition, these data could help with targeting some posts to the largest audience. If you are a tech writer, this is definitely your time. But also keep in mind that self-improvement with about 700k and life lessons also with about 700k also belong to the most popular topics on Medium. And as Michelle said, interesting, and yet I'm 56-year-old female who never reads or writes in those areas, but I'm making at least $1,000 a month here. So this means Michelle is not writing about technology, she's writing about aging, self-improvement, feminism. She's brilliant, you definitely have to check her out. And this is really interesting. This shows that these demographics are nice to know, but again, Medium is really an open platform for everyone to write into 2024. You can start your blog on Medium within minutes. So this video should have saved you a lot of legwork. Hope you enjoyed it. To see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and like this video so more people see it. Those of you who've been watching me for a while might have seen that I now share my videos from upstairs. So we moved because now my baby has her own nursing room and now we're here. This is our new creativity hub. We're still like in the middle of figuring everything out. And I'm pretty sick again, you know, my toddler is going to kindergarten and my baby is sick. So yeah,